Now, the next thing that we can do, and this is one that we love to do, is take a look at the destination URL reports. Now, with this, you can use any number of tools out there to run those URLs through a quick scan and just see which ones are going to 404 pages. I can tell you a story of a sales pitch that we won just by walking in and running this report. And our sales pitch was essentially, let me show you how you can stop wasting $1,000 per day. And of course, this gets the attention of the person in the room. And all we did was we paused the campaign that was spending $1,000 a day on a campaign that was pointed to a 404 page where there was no landing page there whatsoever. And again, it wasn't a server 404 response. It had been handled nicely. So it was a 200 OK server response. But again, the page said, we don't have any idea what you're looking for. Try and search. Of course, not a very good landing page and certainly not doing a very good job of conversion. So this is one of the things that is very quick that we can look for it, and again, a big problem that we can go ahead and solve. Another one that we want to talk about here is to take a look at conversions. Oftentimes you'll find that people run AdWords, but they don't track conversions. And a quick way to do this is just to go over to the conversions area and see if they have a blank set where they should have a number of different conversions listed. And of course, if you can get access to their analytics account as well, you can see if they've defined goals, if they've set up e-commerce, or if they're using any custom variables or event tracking that could also signify KPIs or business objectives. Again, if you don't see anything here, it's an indication that there's a whole lot of work that can be done here to help out this account. And again, we go into this sales meeting now understanding where this account lies, what sorts of features they're using, and we know about how much we can help. In this case, if we're seeing all of these big red flags, we know that we can do a fantastic job for this prospective customer. The other thing we can do is point out all of these deficiencies to really show them not only that we can help them, but also that we really know what we're doing and we know what we're talking about. Now, the other thing that I love to do here is take a look at the change history in the account. This is particularly useful if you're taking over or you're bidding to take over this account from another agency. Oftentimes we see lots of agencies out there that, like I said earlier, just charge the monthly premium or the monthly percentage of spend or the monthly fee to go in there, and once a month they'll change one keyword by 1 penny and then log back out until next month. And they've automated all the downloads, and that's their reports that they're selling. And again, that's not providing much value. So if we can take a look at the change history report, and if we see a blank page, that's a pretty good indication that that agency hasn't been doing a very good job. Now, of course, be careful if we're looking at API access through any of the bid management tools or things like that. But even better if we go in here and we see that pattern, that once a day, someone from the agency logged in, made one change by 1 penny to one keyword and logged back out, then of course you can show that to the prospective client and say, this is what you've been paying for, and no wonder it's not working. No one's really doing any work on your particular account. Now again, this whole video doesn't take that many minutes, and it doesn't take that long to drill into some of these things in a prospective customer's account before you go into the meeting. And we found that this can make all the difference to really understand where you can help this prospective client and present that as part of your sales pitch. Hopefully this has been a helpful series for you, and hopefully you've taken at least something of value from it. Again, as an agency that's out there practicing these things every single day, we recognize this is a fast evolving field and there's lots and lots of things going on. And I hope that some of the suggestions that we've put out there and the experiences that we've shared are helpful for you. I don't expect any of it or all of them to work for you, but hopefully there's something that got you thinking about something you might be able to do